these are the Pixel Buds A series, and today we're going to go ahead and unbox them and try them on and even look at a couple of these features, because these Pixel Buds are the A series, not the regular Pixel Buds. So these make some compromises in build quality. For example, these are not the normal plastic. This is a much cheaper plastic. The case is a much cheaper plastic. You do get the water resistance. I'm not going to test that out, obviously not. But it does have IPX4 water resistance, so it has a little bit of insurance in case you get caught in the rain or in case you are sweating at the gym with these. And these are the Pixel Buds that are known for their open ear design, much like AirPods actually. So you're actually not going to get that good of a noise cancellation, noise isolation with these earbuds, but we're going to go ahead and be testing that and so much more. So this is the case. And right off the bat, we see this is Google design. So it's actually for $99, which is what these earbuds cost. It's actually a really good value because you're not getting really cheap materials. I mean, it is cheap materials, but Google finds a way to make it feel more premium in a way that's really, really satisfying. So we're going to go ahead and take off this wrapping. If I can just manage to take off the wrapping. Seems a lot harder than it is. Alright, here we go. So with this case, it is actually quite a small and light case that carries battery at the bottom and the buds on top. When you close it, makes a very nice thunk sound, and it's very simple to open up with one hand. In fact, the moment you open it, it springs up so that you can just open it with one thumb and be able to go ahead and use them. So this is my Jabra Elite 75Ts on the left, and you can actually see the Jabras are not actually that smaller. In fact, the Pixel Buds case is bigger, but it's much thinner. I'll give them that. So really, it's much more of a thing of preference. Inside the box, we also have a USB-C to USB-A cable. Surprisingly, not USB-C to USB-C. But it's always nice to have a cable in the box. No charger though, because these are earbuds, not a phone. And of course, we have some paperwork and extra ear tips, which make sure you use them. Make sure you try on each and every size so that your ears are perfectly comfortable and safe. Now, these Pixel Buds are Google Buds, which means they have direct integration with Google Assistant and have a lot of features that I'm really excited to try that are really, really unique to these Pixel Buds. So here we see they're quite small. They have a little wing inside them, and they're not supposed to go directly into your ear like the Jabras. Instead, they're supposed to hang right outside your ear, actually more like AirPods or Galaxy Buds Live, that is. And so you see the drivers are quite small, also much like the Jabras. They have that Jabra-like design, but that wingtip is supposed to help with that. And so I have a Pixel 2 here, my daily driver, and when I open up the Pixel Buds, it automatically recognizes them, and I just have to connect with one tap. And you don't have to download the app, you don't have to, but I decided to, and look what I have. Every single time I open up the case, we have battery percentages for the case and each earbud, which you can actually connect individually. So you don't have to use the right earbud and then the left earbud. You can use the left earbud, then the right earbud. They're both independent, and that is amazing. So here we have the assistant features. Just have to activate them. If you're not comfortable with the assistant listening for your voice at every move, you probably should not do that. And I also have a firmware update because the other Pixel Buds, and I hope these don't, have some issues with noise. So this is how it looks inside my ear. It's actually a little bit not that comfortable, but I hope I get used to it. And overall, I just cannot wait to see what the earbud experience is from Google. So that's been it, everyone. Have a good day. Hello everyone, this is BenTech Code, and do you want to support the channel and the blog? Well, now you can. This is the Buy Me a Coffee page over at buymeacoffee.com/BenTechCode. There, you can sign up for my membership and support me on a monthly basis, or you can just buy me a coffee. Real quick, real simple, real easy. Go to buymeacoffee.com/BenTechCode for more information and to see how you can support your favorite content creators like me. buymeacoffee.com/BenTechCode. See you there.